would see in the accounting software. Then the next one is the cloud-based accounting software. We now know in from the manual books to the softwares to the server room, which to the software which used to be on a computer, and then we moved on to the premise based, which were connected with the other destinations or other multiple locations through the virtual internet secured VPNs. Now too going to be in the cloud-based accounting softwares, which can be used by mobile, can be used by web app from anywhere in the world. So the time is now coming for cloud-based accounting software. Even the premise-based accounting softwares, which runs on the hard servers on the property, are also moving towards offering the cloud-based accounting software or cloud-based interface, even though the software can still remain in the premises for the data security. However, the accounting entry and the user interface could be cloud-based rather than you have to access it only from a desktop or laptop sitting inside the properties, because the accounting staff nowadays is spreading over. Some many of them are working from home, many of them are working on the go. Executives need reports on the go. The softwares are combining the facilities or the features, so they need to access it, right? They cannot just sit in the office to access accounting software. So the cloud based accounting softwares are coming in the age. There are tons of them. Even just make a simple Google search, you will see tons of accounting softwares which are now cloud based and subscription basis. So they are usually companies which offer ERPs, and they are integrated accounting software with the ERP. So they are not just offering accounting software; they are offering inventory systems, HR systems, purchasing systems, CRM, and all are interconnected. So once you make a client in CRM, it automatically flows into the accounting software. So you don't need to have a manual job like in the past when I remember we used to have five systems for five different things. We used to have one for purchasing, one for CRM, one for the property management, one for the accounting, one for the cost control. So different accounting software for different things. And you would have to have a similar same transaction code, same names of the vendor, same name of the customer in every software. And it's very painful to combine the reports, even if there is a dot, if there's a difference of one single dot or one single space. So the integrated accounting software with ERPs makes life super easy. Data analysis very easy because you have the same data structure to apply. These cloud-based softwares are also secure. It offers safe data storage and is backup in case of emergency. Nowadays, you would see there are so many political differences, natural disasters everywhere. So data is not safe. In a traditional way, you would save the data by having a backup and a backup of backup in different locations, right? But now with the cloud-based accounting software, you don't have to worry about it anymore, because the software providers, the one who are hosting the software, are taking the database and is secured. And not, usually they don't have one server, they have multiple servers in multiple countries, and all are mirrored together, so that you could access it from anywhere without any hassles or without any time gap. Because if you are in US, sitting in US, and the server is in India, it will take a long time. So what they do is they have a mirror server in US or in Europe, so that the access time is limited. And then they have a better UI, very simple UI. The finance system, the accounting systems are not were not known for being for having a beautiful UI, right? They used to have a very bad user interface because they require that to be like this. But nowadays with these apps, most of them are having a web app. Some of them are very good with the mobiles also, and they come up with the mobile applications. So the user interface is pretty simple and is colorful. It's easy to navigate with the thumb, and because there are signs with how you are going to use the mobile apps. So they come with a better user interface, and the learning curve is very fast. Rather than non-financial people who used to learn the financial systems, it makes their life really difficult. Now it's very easy. And then they can quickly analyze the system, analyze the transactions and red flag and create the red flags, because it's cloud based. The processing system is automated, so the whenever the transaction is appearing, they automatically analyze it with their algorithms, and to identify if there's something anything wrong in the transactions. So it's easier to find the flaws in these accounting software. So there are many different cloud based accounting softwares. I encourage you to look at that. Some are industry specific, some are general.